The Rice Lake Counterpart is a really nice industrial counting scale. However, in quite a few situations, in order to really get the full benefit of the scale, it's often a good idea to add the optional computer software. Weighvault for Counterpart is a comprehensive software package that stores and manages data on your computer. With Weighvault software, you can create custom reports for inventory, threshold, location, and more. The software is designed for operators with minimal computer experience and managers who require quick and accurate information. The Counterpart scale can hold around 150 items in memory, but adding Weighvault for Counterpart software, you can boost product ID storage to a virtually unlimited number and manage as many scales as necessary. Scales can be added or moved on the fly without interrupting other scales operating on the network. Quickly program, edit, and manage scales, and each unique product ID, right from your computer. The software stores the details of each transaction for either a single scale or multiple scales. Best of all, it collects data as transactions occur and provides detailed transaction and productivity reports, which can be exported into word processing, spreadsheet, or PDF formats. Weighvault for Counterpart is the affordable solution for real-time inventory management. Now, let's see the Weighvault software in action. This is the home screen of Weighvault for Counterpart. Here you can navigate between the parts editor and reports. The parts editor allows you to enter and edit part IDs in the Weighvault database. Currently, our database is empty. To add a new ID, click the Add New button. You can add part ID, name, description, location, inventory, unit weight, and more. When the entries are complete, click Continue. You can continue adding IDs. In this demonstration, we've added two IDs. You'll notice we've added ID 31545, which has a current inventory level of 1000. You will see that ID again later in our demo. Click the Continue button and click the Save Changes to Database button. Remember, the entries are not saved until this button is pressed. Use the link to edit an ID. Here's an important tip. You can import parts into Weighvault from a CSV file. Click the arrow next to the Help button. Then click Import Parts. Navigate to the CSV file you're going to import. Press Open and click the OK button. If you have a lot of different part ID numbers in inventory, this feature should save a lot of data entry for you. Now, let's press the Home button. The Parts report allows you to search for a part. Enter its details into the search query in the Part Search text box. The Parts report is then generated. Use the Toolbar button to print or export the report. Export options include Excel, PDF, and Word. When finished with the parts report, click the Close button. The inventory report allows you to view the inventory of parts. Enter a search term or the minimum inventory level. Because the parts search text box was left blank, all parts matching the minimum inventory level will be returned. Use the Toolbar button to print or export the report. When finished with the report, click the Close button. Location Report allows you to view the location of parts. Enter a search term in the Part Search text box or Location Search text box. Click the View Report button. Because the Part Search text box was left blank, all the parts matching the Location Search text will be returned. Use the toolbar buttons to print or export the report. When finished with the report, click the Close button. The Activity Report allows you to view the in and out activity of parts. Load an ID from Weighvault. Here, we'll enter our ID 31545. The code and description are displayed. Now we'll perform an in and out activity. We have 500 pieces on the scale, and we press the In key to add those to our inventory. Now, let's say one of our customers needs an order for 100 of that item. We count those on the scale and then press the Out button. Once in and out activity has been performed on the scale, the activity report will display the data. Use the Parts Search text box and the End Date fields to specify your activity search criteria. Here, you can see we brought in a quantity of 500 and we took out a quantity of 100. Also, notice on the inventory report that our inventory has been adjusted as well, based on our activity. Notice we started out with 1,000 in inventory and we added 500. Then we took out 100. The Weighvault software shows what quantity we have left. Once again, you can use the toolbar buttons to either print or export this information. We hope that you enjoyed this demo video on the Weighvault for Counterpart computer software. If this sounds like something you would be interested in, please contact our sales department at 919-776-7737, or you may fill out the Request a Quote form on our website, centralcarolinascale.com.